We've seen AIs learn by competing, but today's most powerful image generators use a different approach, the art of diffusion. It all begins with this, a digital block of marble. Pure, unstructured, random noise. The secret isn't about adding paint to a canvas. It's about removing the noise to find the image already hidden inside. To learn this, the AI is first trained in reverse. It studies how a perfect image can be broken down into chaos. By doing this millions of times, it learns the precise path from clarity to chaos.
Then, the magic happens. It applies that knowledge backwards, starting a new journey from chaos back to clarity.
At each step, the AI skillfully predicts and removes just one layer of noise, slowly revealing the art within.
But without guidance, the sculptor carves whatever it wants. So how does it know what to create?
It uses your prompt. The words you learn to craft in our AI Genie Guide act as the sculptor's blueprint. This blueprint guides every single step of the denoising process, ensuring the final creation matches your vision.
From a random block of marble, the vision becomes reality. This technique allows for limitless creativity across any artistic style imaginable.
And the idea extends beyond images, promising new ways to generate music, 3D models, and more.
It's a powerful new tool, turning the speed of your imagination into the new limit of creation.
The AI provides the marble and the chisel, but the vision, the spark that starts it all, that still comes from you.